And today, special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us their Bee Home planter. This is a planter for, you know, your plants. Looks like a cute little bee hut. It's a 5-inch planter, and that's kind of what it looks like there. And let's cut the seal. Get in here and take a look. A thank you card with some other items they sell. And just foam. There's the planter and nothing else in that. So that's what it looks like. Love the yellow, and it smells good. Wow. Look at the design though. The detail in this is really, really nice. I really, really like this. I originally got this for my wife because I knew she liked yellow. So you can pop this out, by the way. If you need to pop it out to let the water come out, you can do that. Very nice though. Love the look of this. I think this would be great to have setting somewhere and have whatever little plant growing out of this 5-inch planter. So thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me for this unboxing. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.